Check out this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Bighorn. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 3.92 rear axle ratio, engine, 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT, STD, diesel gray-black premium cloth bucket seats included, power lumbar adjust 115-volt auxiliary power outlet bucket seats rear 60/40 split folding seat folding flat load floor storage power 10-way driver seat full-length upgraded floor console, diamond black crystal pearl coat, quick order package 27S Bighorn included, engine 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, rear view auto dim mirror leather wrapped steering wheel rear dome with on-off switch lamp LED bed lighting glove box lamp bright billets grille auto dim exterior mirrors Bighorn regional package Bighorn